So in the previous videos we have just completed the previous chapter, that was chapter number 4. Now we will start with our new chapter, that is simple linear equation. So here you can see in the first paragraph the introduction is given. Let us read that first of all. Here in class 6 you have learned about the algebraic equations. Here we will learn more about them in detail. In the primary classes you have learned to solve the following types of problems. Here A, that is dash plus 3 is equal to 7, 3 plus dash is equal to 7, 3 plus 4 is equal to dash. Here in primary classes they have given that dash plus 3 is equal to 7, and then after it is also given that 4 plus dash is equal to 7, and also it is given that 4 plus 3 is equal to dash. Okay, these types of the cases you have just seen in the previous classes. Then we know that here 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, then after 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, and 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay, this is given. Now moving forward, here to do these problems we must first learn them. The idea here is to make the two-sided appear on the either side of the sign is equal to balance. Means here the is equal to sign indicates the balance. Means we have seen that here 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, and here also it is 7. So the equation should be balanced. Then only we can just put a sign that is equal to. Means this is equal to this. Okay, if I say that 5 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3, then you can know that 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 and 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 only, or 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So this is balance equation, means the sum is same. We can also write this 10 plus 3, that is 13, and also we can write 10 plus 6 is equal to 13 only. Both the answers are correct. Here also 10 plus 3 is equal to 13, and here also 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. So here you can see this both are balanced and both the answer comes same only. Okay, now moving forward, here all these introductions are written. I am just reading it. I have just explained that is written over here in the wording forms. That is, we must be added to get 3 to get 7, and we know that 4 must be added to 3 to get 7. But how did we get this answer? We subtract 3 from 7 to know that what must be added to 3 to get 7. In C, the question is what will we get by adding 3 and 4. The box dash represents the unknown answer. In the equation, in the question, then in algebra we write a, b, c, d, x, y, z, etc. in the place of these unknown quantities. We have just seen that if dash plus 3 is equal to 7, then we just represent 4 in algebra. We write this as x plus 3 is equal to 7. So here, what they have done, this equation, I am just writing this equation over here, and I can write this as dash plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay, then here in algebraic expression what we write? Here we just do a blank, that what plus 3 is equal to 7. But in the algebraic expression we just write a, b, c, d or x, y, z, any of the letters, alphabetic letters. Then I will write x. So x plus 3 is equal to 7. So if you want to find the value of x, then we have studied this in the standard 6, that x plus 3 is equal to 7, which is given. Okay, then after here you can see this is plus 3. When it just move towards this side, x plus 3 means this plus 3 moves towards this side, this goes equal to that side. Then if here it is plus, then if it goes on that side it will be minus. So we can write this as x is equal to 7 minus 3. X is equal to 7 minus 3, then we will get x is equal to 4. So here the value of x is equal to 4. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. You just keep in one thing in your mind, that when here it is plus. When it goes on the that side, it will be minus, means it's opposite. And if here in this side it is multiplication, then when it goes towards that side, it will be division. Okay, when it is this side in division, then this side it go, then it will be multiplication. This side subtraction, then this side addition. Okay, see, I am just giving you an example of it. So, I am giving one by one all the examples. First of all, I am just giving you the example of addition. That is, x plus 3 is equal to 7. It is given. Then here you can see it is addition. When it moves towards that side, it will be subtraction. Means addition, its opposite, it will be subtraction. This side is addition, that side goes the subtraction. And from this, we have get what? Here we can say that x minus 3 is equal to 7. This is the example of subtraction. That is, I am writing in short, S means subtraction, A means addition. Then here you can see it is subtraction side. When it just move towards this side, it will be what? Addition. So it will be x is equal to 7 plus 3. In that way, in multiplication, see here I am writing multiplication. So over here, it is given 3x is equal to 21. 3x is equal to 21. It is given. Then you can see this 3 and this x are linked with the multiplication, and I can also write this equation as 3 into x is equal to 21. Okay. If we just don't write the multiplication, then it is okay. But in this only, the multiplication sign will be not there. So here 3 into x, I can also write this as this. So 3 into x, here you can see this is in the multiplication with the x. When it just move towards this side, means x is equal to 21 upon 3, that is 3 7s are, then we get x is equal to 7 is our answer. I am just explaining you the method, not just doing some of the sums. Okay. So now division. How can we divide? Okay. If I say x by 7 is equal to 3. X by 7 is equal to 3. Then here you can see it is the x by 7, means I can also write this as x divided by 7. Yes or not? Yes, we can write this x divided by 7, or we can also write x by 7 is equal to 3. Then you can see this is in division. When it just move towards this side, then we know that when it is in division, if it goes towards that side, means opposite side, then it will be in the multiplication. So x is equal to 7 into 3, that is 21 is our answer. Okay students, if you want to write this, then you can write. Okay, nothing is there. If here it is addition, then when it moves towards this side, it will be subtraction. Here it is subtraction, then when it moves towards this side, it will be addition. Here it is multiplication. In this chapter or any algebraic chapter, the multiplication sign will be not used and also the division side will be not used. If it is division, then it will be like this, and if it is multiplication, then it will be like this. I have just done to explain you only. Okay. Now, if you want to write, then you can write. And just moving further, you can see here examples aren't given, but the here is given. I am just reading that. Here x is an unknown quantity and it is referred to as variable. Recall that a variable called so because it does not have any fixed value, but it used an algebraic expression and equations to denote an unknown value. Problems such as x plus 3 is equal to 7, 2x minus 7 is equal to 3 are called equations. In an equation, the left hand side of the equation is equal to the right hand side. This fact is shown by an equal sign in between them. When the variables in an equation are x, y, a, b or any other literal number without any power other than 1, the equation is called a linear equation. In this case, there is only one value for the variable for which the equation holds. The equation is a statement using two expressions with one or more variables. Equations are often compared with a balance. Let us consider a weighing balance given in figure 7.1. On the left hand side, there is a big box and a small bit. On the right hand side, there are 7 bits whose combined weight helps to maintain the balance. Okay. Then after, this means that the weight on one side is equal to the weight on the other side. Now to find out the weight of the box in terms of bits, we remove the one bit placed on the left side, but this disturbs the balance. To maintain the balance, we have to remove an equality from the other side too. On doing so, we find that the box gets balanced by 6 bits. In algebra, the situation shows in 7.1 is written in the form of x plus 1 is equal to 7. Take away 1 from each side and it becomes x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 7 minus 1. X is equal to 6. This situation displayed in figure 7.2. Okay students, here in the exercise 7a we have reached in that the question number 1 is find the value of the unknown variables. Let us solve them one by one. Here, there are 12 examples given. From that, we will solve any of the 6, and other you have to solve in your homework. That is exercise 7a, question number 1. Exercise 7a, question number 1. From that, first of all, we will do that is b. W plus 8 is equal to 68. Okay. Another one. That is b. That is b minus 3 is equal to 11. Another one. That is f. The value is z minus 7 is equal to minus 12. Then after g, not gh. That is x plus 7 is equal to 21. Then after j, that is x minus 7 is equal to 3. And the last one, that is L, that is x minus 2 by 7 is equal to 5 by 7. Okay students, here we will solve this. Okay, now let us solve one by one. Here you can see here it is W. Okay students, W plus 8 is equal to 68. So we have to find the unknown value, that is W. So as I had told earlier that if W plus 8 is equal to 68, then here the 8 is in addition or subtraction. It is in the addition. Then when it moves towards this side, it will be in multiplication or division. It will be in subtraction. So W is equal to 68 minus 8, and W we get, that is 60. So our W, that is 60, is our answer. Moving further over this, you can see here there is subtraction, means minus 3 is there. So when it just go toward this side, it will be division or multiplication. It will be what? B is equal to 11 multiply by 3 or divide by 3? It will be added. Okay, it will be added. So B value we get, that is 14. Okay. Now moving further to F. Here also you can see it is subtraction. It is subtraction. So it will be Z is equal to minus 12 plus 7. And here you can see, here it is minus and here it is plus. So minus plus, that is minus. So 12 minus 7, that is sorry students, minus plus, that is minus. So 12 minus 7 will be what? 12 minus 7, 5. Here I have written 5. 5 only na? Right or wrong students? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 plus 5, that is 12. But here you can see, which is the bigger number? That is 7 or 12. Then I will say, here the bigger number is 12. So here there is minus. So here it will be also minus. Okay. Now moving further to H. Here it is plus, and when it moves toward this side, it will be 21 minus 7. So here 21 minus 7, that is, what will be there? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What will be there? 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. It will be 14. Okay, X is equal to 14. Now, moving further towards this one, and here you can see X is equal to 3 plus 7, then X we will get, that is 10. Okay, and here you can see it is in the subtraction. Here you can see it is in the subtraction. When it moves toward this side, it will be in the addition, that is 5 by 7 plus 2 by 7. Okay, here if it was given 2 by 7 into X, what? First of all, let us solve this, then after I am explaining you the another case, that is X is equal to, here we don't have to take the LCM. Why? Because the denominators are same, that is 7, and 5 plus 2, that is also 7 upon 7, then we will get answer, that is 1. X is equal to 1. And in the another case, I am just talking about the another case, if it is given 2 by 7 X is equal to 5 by 7, then here it was subtraction sign, so when it go toward this side it become addition. But here it will be what? 2 by 7 into X is equal to 5 by 7. Then it will, what will happen? Here you can see this is in division form. When it just move toward this side, it will be in the multiplication form, and you can see this is in the multiplication form with the X, and when it moves toward this side, it will be in the division. So we will get, that is X is equal to 5 by 7 into 7 by 2. This goes upside and this comes downside. But what if it should be multiplication? Then only it will happen. Okay, if you want to write this, then you can write. I am just rubbing this one. I have just done for the explanation only. Okay, here we have just completed the exercise 7 and remaining sum. You have to solve by your own. And here, moving towards our new topic, that is root or solution of linear equation. Here, to solve an equation means to find the value of an unknown variable in the equation. The unknown variable will assume that the value which makes the left hand side of the equation equal to the right hand side, this value of the unknown variable is called the root or solution of this equation by substitution. Here you can see examples are given. That is, for example, if 3x is equal to 12, then x is equal to 4. If we substitute the value, this value for x is equal in the equation, we get 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Okay. Here you can see example number 1. Let us do that. Example number 1. Here example number 1 is find the root of 3x plus 7 is equal to 20. Example number 1, that is, we have to find the root, that is 3x plus 7 is equal to 22. That is the 3x plus 7 is equal to 22. Let us, we have to find out the value of x. So here first of all you can see it is what? Here it is addition. When it just move towards this side, then it will be subtraction. So here 3x is equal to 22 minus 7. Then 3x you will get, that is 15. 3x you will get, that is 15. And then after you can see this is multiplication with this. Then x is equal to 15 by 3. Then 3 5s are 15 and you have got the value of x, that is x is equal to 5. Okay students, moving further, in the example number 2 you can see is 5 a root of 3x plus 4 is equal to 19. Sorry, here we have to find another example. Example number 2. Example number 2. The value is 3x plus 4 is equal to 19. 3x plus 4 is equal to 19. And we have to find that we get the x value is equal to 5 or not. Okay, we have to just find out that we get x value is equal to 5 or not. Then first of all you know that here it is in addition, when it just move toward this side, that is x is equal to 19 minus 4. So 3x is equal to 19 minus 4, that is 15, and this is 3. In multiplication, when it goes toward this side, it will be in division. So x is equal to 15 upon 3. So 3 5s are 15. So x is equal to 5. This is our answer. Okay, here we have got that is the root 5 of this equation it is given, then we can say yes, the root of this equation is 5. And there is another method also, but I don't know it is in your textbook or not. No, the another method is not in your textbook, so we will not do that. Okay, and then after example number 3 you can see it is given. Here what we have to do, determine by substituting if 6 is the root of 2 by 3x plus 3 is equal to 11. But I think this thing we will do in the next video. Okay students, this we will do in the next video, because you will just not get it that, and we have a short time over here. So in your homework what you will do is in homework, you have to do is remaining sums of 7, 8. Okay students, and we will meet in the next video. Bye students.